Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to show you guys something, what I got with my Amazon gift card. Yes, Amazon gift card. But there is actually a trend going on YouTube about showing people what they got. So this one I've seen a lot on YouTube, so I wanted to try out myself. So I got a 10-inch Android tablet. You can see, it comes with the tablet, the keyboard, stylus, pen, little mouse thing. So it's 10 inches. So I'm going to open it up. It comes with a cord. So, sorry, see? A little cord. It comes with a nice mouse. Very, very nice. It's very quiet too. Like, look, ready? It's not too loud. Then, this, it comes with a case. You lift this case up. See my room. I'm gonna turn it on. So you have these little buttons back here, like here, to turn it on. Let's see if this will actually turn on. One second. There we go. It's by Android. If you guys don't know, there's Androids, Samsungs, they have smartphones, so that's for all like Androids, like see, isn't that cool? It has everything. If you're an iPhone person, that's all different. Totally different. So this is what it is. I don't know if you guys can see it. It has its big screen. Okay. So you have all